Hello and welcome to Project Management video clip. My name is Ruslan Kaydashov. I introduce you my program about project management. Today 10 March 2015 and this is episode number 1. I will launch my program about project management every month. I will do episode duration no more than 15 minutes and I hope it would be interested in for you. If you aren't familiar with that project management, I think you won't be interested in it. Let's see about this presentation, let's see about this clip, and let's see what interesting would be better for you. Well, I give you a little bit information about me. My name is Ruslan Kaydashov and I am SAP project manager. I have experience 5+ years like a SAP project manager. I manage implementation information IT system to business. There were different companies from energy industry, banks, human industry and other. More information you can see in my page on LinkedIn or Facebook or SAP community. You can see this information on screen. Let's talk about for whom this presentation and what topics we will be seeing my clips. Whole series of my clip I will do about 3 topics. This is a PIM book and everything linked, practice of IT project management and project management of SAP implementation. It's a SAP methodology. I think it would be interesting for junior project managers, project administrators and program or project managers. You say me, what about you would be tell us? And this is an important question. I would like to tell you about tips, tricks, approaches and other tools and elements of project management. Because I have got an experience and I would tell you about and share you. Maybe you won't be agree with me and tell me your vision. Anyway, I think it would be interesting communication for us about project management. Okay, see today topic. Today I would tell you about SAP project manager secret. There are 3 questions here and I tell you about the first. I tell you about SAP, what is it, for them who follow us but didn't meet SAP system. The next question is I will tell you about SAP methodology and SAP metrics. And next and last I will finish secret of SAP project manager. Have a go and have a look at the first. SAP, what is it? We can say that SAP it's a system, applications, products and data processing. It's a German multinational software corporation that makes enterprise software to manage business operations and customer relations. I would like to show you system like a structure of dependent elements of SAP. I'll show you pictures. Look at this picture, please. At the picture is a basic elements of SAP core system. SAP has SAP business software brand for small, medium and big size enterprises. It's a SAP business suite software that include a range of products like SAP customer relationship management. You can see at the picture right side. SAP ERP, it's a central picture you may see. SAP product life cycle management, SAP supplier chain management, SAP supplier relationship management, and other big process, business process of customer like a human resource and SAP financial management and other business process. Summary say landscape of SAP system is a dependent on landscape of business of customer business. SAP product line have been changing every time because business of customers has been changing too. There is appearing new components of SAP system adopted to business customers. Well, now we don't dive into detail of other elements because we have got high level vision about the elements of SAP system. Let's focus us at what we have to do for taking go live this system of into customer business. It's a very important question for us and for our topic. Next slide. What is SAP? Everybody knows that the first we need for building is a blueprint of building. Blueprint is consist of many documents like schema of building, external as internal design doc, budget of building, and so on. Official SAP's website tell us SAP methodology is a SAP roadmap for implementation, enhancement or upgrade of SAP solution and support cost-effective and speedily implementation of SAP solution in our customer environment. It provides a proven, comprehensive, repeatedly enriched implementation methodology to streamline projects and achieve low total cost of implementation. For more information about this, go to website www.sip.com. There was many versions of SAP methodology. Current version it's an 8. Let's have a look at main features of SAP methodology A version and go to next slide. The key features of SAP 8. Well, we have key feature of SAP 8, the last version of methodology implementation from SAP company. We have 5 bullets. The first, SAP 8 WBC streamlined to 3 level with prescribed delivery attributes like a process, activities, accountability, and deliverables. The next, work stream structure refined. Next, SAP 8 became framework from different deployment strategy like RDS, A2O, traditional, and agile. Improved quality control. And the last, each block of process has templates of documentation. It calls accelerators. Now we don't follow to each bullet. For more information you see, please go to website www.service.sip.com. Summary say SAP 8 is a work approach to deliver results to customer. This is a key points of SAP methodology. Let's think, what about opposite side? I mean, what about bad things into this methodology? Let's see on this point to next page. Opposite side of SAP 8K features. Let's have a look at opposite side of SAP 8K features. We have 2 points. SAP quite difficult for quick understanding. It's the first, and the second, SAP doesn't have offline version for preview. Let me explain you this is important things. Just this point. The first, SAP 8 quite difficult for quick understanding because SAP 8 has more than 100 files of templates documents. SAP 8 has 11 areas of methodology, and SAP 8 has WBS has 500 elements. It's not simple, yes? SAP 8 doesn't have a offline version for preview because SAP 8 integrated to SAP Solution Manager. What does it mean, SAP Solution Manager? You can use SAP methodology directly, use it into SAP system and through SAP Solution Manager. It's the right strategy, like a technical and a marketing side, but we have points no good for project management. And I'm going to show you this point. The first of all, SAP 8 quite difficult for quick understanding. Next, you cannot quick preview, think, take decision. And next, SAP 8 doesn't have offline version for preview. You cannot see whole picture, your work plan on a project. In fact, this is true. It decreases success project management. Isn't it? I'm sure it is. SAP metrics. To fix these gaps of SAP methodology, I have done two tools. The first tool is SAP metrics, and the second is a live map of SAP. About a live map of SAP, I will tell you next video clip. Now I would like to tell you about SAP metrics. SAP metrics is a high level of map for quick, comfort and offline access to your project management roadmap or knowledge of SAP. It helps you can quick preview taking decision, preview and like a real project manager. And you can see whole picture your work plan manage on project. Now I open in SAP matrix, and I would like to introduce you this matrix. Okay, here we go. It's a SAP matrix. I designed its matrix based of SAP 8 methodology for pocket using. It's a simple table you look like of SAP roadmap by JPeg or PDF format files. Table consists of columns and rows. Columns of table, it's a phase of roadmap of SAP. It's a project preparation, blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live and support, and operates. The row of the table we got 11 streams. It's each stream has personal color. You look like it's the best for memorize. There are project management, application lifecycle, organization change management, training, business process management, value management, testing management, data migration and data achievement, technical solution management, and the last cutover management. In the center of this table we have white cells. Cells, it's a process belong to streams and time of phases. For example, look at project management streams and to try understand what process we have in final preparation phases. Here we go. We have three process. It's a project initiation. It means project initiation of final preparation stage. Next, it's execution, monitoring and controlling of result. And the last process of final preparation by project management stream. It's a phase closure and sign off phases deliverables. It's very simple and understanding and very comfortable for using. Summary say we have a multi-branch methodology of SAP 8 at one page list. It's very important. And it's as great and comfortable for project management using. I remember you that you don't get it from SAP company official website. because it's my development and I would like to share you, and it's free for you, for your project manager, and for others who are interested in project management. Okay, back to our slide, and talk about SAP project management manager secret. And last, we talk about SAP project manager secret. Here we have 2 points. The first is a learned SAP methodology and use for it SAP metrics. I think for success SAP products implementation to customers, you strongly have to understand SAP 8 methodology. Understanding and knowing it's a different points. More effective and efficient for your practice understanding methodology, and SAP metrics created special for it. Enjoy for using it, and that's it today. Next clips we would look at my live map of SAP 8 and discuss benefit of using that map. You can download metrics, SAP metrics, on my page on Facebook. Please visit, or you can mail me. Thank you very much for watching. It was Ruslan Kaydashov and project management clips. Have a nice day.